friends, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a lovely start to your 2023. Today I wanted to share products that I will be using and testing for you all in 2023. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician, loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well so that you are notified whenever there is a brand new upload. The first product I have to share with you all, I literally just unboxed. I have the Ulla Henriksen Dewtopia 5% Acid Affirming Night Cream. I love the Ulla Henriksen Transform range. I did receive this a few days after its release, and I have yet to dip into it because I have been testing other products for you all. A 1.7 ounce unit of this retails for $60. Let's open her up though today. Let's have a look, see what kind of texture we have going for us. It's got a nice yellow type of hue. Let's see if it has that Transform range type scent. Sure does, which I really, really enjoy. That's the texture here. And it smells delish. So that's what that looks like. So this is described as a powerful retexturing night cream to intensely hydrate, smooth, visibly even skin tone, and reduce the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. This night cream contains 5% AHAs such as glycolic lactic acid to visibly smooth texture, reduce dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. We also see Edelweiss stem cell, which helps to visibly firm, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. We also see shea butter here to hydrate and nourish skin. And I have something that I have been testing for what it feels like the vast majority of fall, early winter. The FARMACY Wake Up Honey Vitamin C Cream. Now this launched on the Sephora website in December, but I think it's going to hit the FARMACY website very early on in the year. So I did receive a sample of this well before it launched, well before it hit that Sephora website. But because I was a little disappointed with the Summer Fridays eye cream, I was like, let me just hold off on testing that. I wasn't really interested in testing it, which kind of delayed the start of my test. However, once I began testing it, I just could not put it down. So a review on this is coming soon. This is what the unit actually looks like. I think it's very cute for an eye cream. And this is now available at Sephora. And I think, again, it should be available at pharmacybeauty.com soon. This does retail for $45, and it is meant to reduce the appearance of dark circles, depuff, and smooth the look of fine lines with vitamin C and hydrating honey. It is the eye cream that I am wearing on the eye area today. Now, I have been testing this for, I would like to say, more than 2 months now. I want to keep testing it. So I was going to film my review today, but I think I'm going to film my review next week. Something that also launched in December, but I have yet to really kind of sit down and process what I am seeing on my skin and what is on my notes. I have the Drunk Elephant Bouncy Bright Facial. This is going to correct and clarify. This is what the packaging looks like. I received this the day before it launched, and I have been testing it since then. With Drunk Elephant releases, I feel like I am just immediately excited. I don't care what it is. Give it to me. I want to test it right now. I think that it is a range that just doesn't disappoint. This retails for $68 for 1.69 ounces. This is described as a leave-on mask that boosts radiance, clarifies, and evens tone. fades dark spots, reduces redness to reveal a brighter, bouncier, more even looking complexion. This is meant to work on all skin types. Sensitive skin types, it is suggested that you perform a patch test before you try. This does contain azelaic acid to soothe and brighten, salicylic acid to exfoliate, decongest, and improve the appearance of tone and texture. We also see Drunk Elephant's triple antioxidant brightening complex to visibly reduce hyperpigmentation. This can be used morning or evening alongside your Drunk Elephant favorites, such as C Pharma and the Proteini Power Peptide Serum. I will link my review to the Proteini Power Peptide Resurf Serum up above in case you missed it. This is the combo that I am wearing on the skin today. So if you like what you see so far, just know that this is what I am wearing underneath my House Laboratories foundation. I will say that as a sneak peek, I love pairing these two together. A review on the Bouncy Bright Facial will be coming soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Summer Fridays Midnight Ritual Retinol Renewal Serum. Now, this has yet to officially launch as of the date that I am filming this, but it was teased well before 2022 ended. So this will retail for $69, and it is described as a gentle yet effective serum that works to smooth the appearance of fine lines, pores, uneven texture, and improve the skin's appearance. It's also been tested on sensitive skin and can be used on all skin types. It contains vegan retinol and retinol linoleate to improve fine lines, wrinkles, and discoloration. We also see hyaluronic within this formula and niacinamide, an ingredient that I thoroughly enjoyed in 2022 to help deliver moisture and minimize transepidermal water loss. We also see tiger grass and oatmeal to calm redness, and jojoba avocado oil to hydrate, soften, and seal moisture. I have reviewed a number of Summer Fridays products here on my channel. The last Summer Fridays product I reviewed was the Dream Oasis Deep Hydration Serum, which made it into my top products of 2022. I will link my review to the hydrating serum up above in case you missed it. I do also have two devices here. The NuFACE Mini Plus Petite Facial Toning Device. This is meant to lift brows, contour cheeks, tone jawline, lift jowls, and tighten the neck. Included within this kit is the 2-month of lifts, the Silk Creme Activator, the Aqua Gel Activator, and a brush. Now I have the white unit, and I have filmed I would say a product review on the white NuFACE device, but let me know if you're interested in seeing a thoughts or review video on the new device. Another device I did receive late in the year was the Nira Skincare Laser Skin Renewing and Wrinkle Reduction. This has been FDA cleared. It is a skincare laser meant to minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, reduce redness, redness-free with no erythema, 2 minutes per day for great results. And they also sent over the hyaluronic acid advanced serum. So I do want to do a video on this, but I do want to know if you are all interested in this, just because I've never done a laser treatment myself, but I'm very interested in seeing if it works and if you are all interested in a video on devices. I don't think I've reviewed a device other than the NuFACE device. What else? So I also received the Paula's Choice Calm Range at the very end of 2022. So I'm curious if you would like to see a particular product review here. This is, I guess, what the PR package looks like. I do have the Repair Serum on my kind of like to test product area. And then I have the Paula's Choice Ultra Gentle Cleanser, which retails for $19. The 1% BHA Sensitive Skin Exfoliant, which retails for $34. Then I have the Paula's Choice Rescue and Repair Intensive Moisturizer, which retails for $33. And the serum, which is of course missing, that one retails for $44. I don't know if I have a ton of you who have sensitive skin. I have reviewed the 2% BHA exfoliant, so I will link that up above. And I like that 2%. I find it gentle enough to work on my skin on a daily basis. So I'm curious to see how a 1% salicylic acid based toner would work on my normal skin. Currently, I have been using this Bouncy Bright Facial, and that also contains 1%, and I find that to be just right, just enough for daily use. I think 2% is kind of, you know, stretching it a little bit. Anything further would be just too much for my normal skin, but 1% is just right. Let me know if you would like to see me review anything else that I did not mention in today's video. Let me know in the bottom bar down below. I'd really love to know what you are all interested in seeing. Thank you all so much for watching, for spending a few minutes of your time with me today. I am wishing all of us health, love, wealth, success, all of the positives in the new year. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Be sure to hit that notification bell as well. Feel free to click on some of the videos that are popping up around me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. My throat has just been so dry recently. Let me know if you are. Let me know.